Children, it is math time. Teacher has got some interesting activities for you. But first, we will do rote counting from the numbers 25 to 50. So, let's start. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Children, let's have a look at the objects the teacher got for you. How many pencils do I have? Count them. 1, 2. Now, tell me how many pencils do I have in total? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 pencils. Let's have a look at another object. What are these? These are crayons. How many crayons do I have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Children, now tell me how many crayons do I have in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 crayons. Let's have a look at another object. How many pens do I have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I have 3 more. So, let's count all the pens in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 pens.
It's time to do the worksheet now, children. In the worksheet, we are going to count and write the correct number in each of the boxes. Okay, so let's check out that what do we have over here. So, what is this? This is an eagle. So, how many eagles do we see in this box? We see 1. So, children, 1 eagle and how many eagles are there here? So, let's count with teacher. How many eagles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have 5 eagles over here. So, 1 and 5 make which number? Tell teacher. If we add 1 and 5, which number will we get? 6. Correct. So, we will write 1 and 5 is 6 in all. So, in this box, you write 6. Okay, let's check out the next pictures. So, what are these? These are lovely, lovely swans. So, how many swans are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we'll check the next box. So, we have 5 swans over here. Remember that, children, okay? And how many here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 5 and 4 is how many in all? Tell teacher, come on. 5 and 4 make how many? 9. Correct. So, 5 and 4 is 9 in all. Very good, children. Now we check out the next picture. What are these? These are ducks. So let's count these ducks with teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 ducks over here. And how many ducks are here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So children, 4 and 3 is how many in all? Think. 4 and 3 is 7 in all. Very good. So let's check out the next picture now. What are these? These are penguins. So let's count these penguins with teacher. 1, 2. So in this box we have got 2 penguins. Okay, remember that. And how many penguins are here in this box? Let's count with teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 and 6 is how many in all? Come on, tell teacher. 2 and 6 is 8 in all. Very good. What are these now? These are vultures. So, how many vultures are there in this box? Let's count. 1 and 2. So, we've got 2 vultures over here. And how many are here in this box? Let's count with teacher. 1, 2, 3. So we've got 2 and 3 vultures in both the boxes. Now tell teacher, 2 and 3 is how many in all? Come on. 2 and 3 is 5 in all. So you write number 5 over here.